Hi, my name is Alan Dean Clow, and I have worked as an investigator in the Orange County Public Defender's Office for 16 years.
My name is Angela Sunny, and I've worked for the Sheriff's Department for 12 years.
We are on your OCEA bargaining team and your board of directors.
We are asking all of you to stand with us and cast your reject vote on the county's last, best, and final offer.
The county is trying to threaten and intimidate us. They want us to accept no pay raises for 2 more years and reduce our take-home pay.
And they have told us that if we don't vote for their last, best, and final offer, it'll get even worse for us.
Meanwhile, the Board of Supervisors and the county executives haven't given up their own perks, including a car allowance that is enough to lease 2 Mercedes-Benzes.
If we let them bully us now, they'll never stop.
If we don't stand up against this unfairness and corruption, we'll never get a fair deal.
So please stand with us and vote to reject the county's offer.